So this medications kit is actually a custom design, but it's based on our standard footprint of a first aid backpack size drug kit. So this is a part of the modular system that will fit in the FAB, but also can be used as a standalone pack. This individual pack is actually for a code grey backpack, so for in-hospital use. They wanted a specific bag and of course a drug kit to carry for them. Inside this bag we have used our latest MEDIS labelling system. MEDIS gives you clear printing on the elastic that is hardy and will not rip or fade off easily. You can choose to have removable Velcros or stitched in loops based on what you need. Generally, the syringes and needles aren't going to change in size, but drugs do. So the flexibility to replace loops as and when loop sizes become obsolete is obviously helpful. Here gives you the opportunity to put packs in, clearly labelled, and on the other panel you've got cups, water and a syringe, and again space for other items that you may want to carry specific to your needs. So this is also made in our EnvironFrei wipe clean antimicrobial material. We also of course have a reflexite, so it's very clear printing, safe to use, made by NEANN.